I'm a single mother. Oh, Gemly. Oh, I live in Gemly. Oh, you people should help me. Oh, before I will come and kill myself. Ever since I've been suffering taking care of my children alone. I suffer taking care of my children alone. There is no man, no woman, just only me every day. My baby don't grow up now, Prince. The senior one, I have 4 baby in Gemly. The overall senior one, I didn't know say they enter their high. If they enter the government high. One girl from U Grand in Gemly, he always come to my house. He go say he want to assist me for the children. He want to help me to go and teach the children how to read and write. So he go they carry the senior one, they go he ask every day. So day before yesterday, 3 days ago, he called me on phone. Then he tell me say he get where he go carry me go. Then the baby go need to start school. So I tell him that I don't need your help, madam. Sometimes he go come, he go tell me say he won't help me take care of my children. My children is too much and I don't have husband. My husband is not in this country. And nobody to help me. There is nobody to care for me. Say he won't carry my pikin, go for another house. Then I will feel go to visit her. I will say, no, I don't want to lose any of my child. I'll be suffering alone, taking care of my children alone. I will take good care of them. I'm just telling the word for you to help me before.
Hey, wey my people, nothing wey Musa no go see for inside social media. This one na for TikTok. Una remember this woman? Una remember this woman wey cry come and say government don collect the pikin, say na 4 children im get, say dem don collect one for inside. No be small thing I see for TikTok o. She is now a native doctor. Hey! She is now a native doctor. No be small thing o. When I see her for TikTok, no be small thing, my people, I go put her for una more na lis people go just dey call her. No be say she dey throw anything or she dey look anything o. E go just dey give our people oh, na God na go help them. Na our baba God na go help them. I no know wetin dey pursue them. They go dey find miracle up and down. Dem go just call her. Una go see her just now. Dem go call her. Dem go say dem wan look for something about dem. Wetin dey your body? This person una dey talk to, so government don collect the pikin. E no even fit do anything to collect the children back. Una dey there dey do mumu. Hi! But the kind way some of our people take dey collect money for social media is very bad o. When you know say you no know anything. You no know anything. No be say you dey see something you wan tell them. You just collect money, put am for pocket. The day wey baba God go punish them now, dem go come dey cry. Whereas na wetin dem use their hand take do, na im dey cause their problem. Whereas na wetin dey open eye, na im dey cause dem, na im dey cause am. This one now, dem go just call. E go give dem phone number, make dem call dem private. E get another one wey e say e go kill goat. Hey, àwọn bonoma mi enegbeyan sa lo boa. All these people, they never even clean wetin dey their body finish. Talk less of say they wan go clean another person own. But I no blame them. Na our people wey no get brain. Wetin dey pursue you dey go. Person wey go help you. Now if you dey come for front, now you go know say this kind person go fit help me. When God give you your mouth, He give you your mouth, make you take the call am. You wan go dey find person wey He wan help you call God. Aye, na wash o. Na why the way they take dey wash our people brain. I surprised when I see this video. I first do one of a video. One person first bring that video come at that time. I never see am that time for TikTok. Today, I just go TikTok now. I just see this woman. Because she can't use cream. She can't bleach. Now, if you now see her for here, now e black. Una go see the other video now. It can't dey white. It can't yellow. You know? So that make people not to know her. She get her own body for body full there. She never feel resolve her problem. She wan go dey resolve another people problem. Can you imagine? Hey, social media. But the way una take dey find money, there is God o. God there. Wetin you no know. Wetin you don't know, you say you know. People go call am, they go come tell them say, you go come tell them, they will tell am say maybe they get a boyfriend. This boyfriend, I want look at whether I go good for me, don't go good for me. Waiting you, how you tasting whether I go good? You know the day when go break tomorrow because of the way some pastor take they collect money. Our people don't enter the business. This is business. Hey, una get the power. Why una not fit do one? Make light there our country. Una not fit do that one. Who they see wetin go happen tomorrow? Nobody. Na only God. Because nobody know wetin go happen tomorrow. Because if person know wetin go happen tomorrow, therefore they do something, make the something bad not happen tomorrow. My people, make I leave una. I just see the video, I was shocked. I say this woman, I remember her face well. Now she 100%. Now she, not be saying na person wey resemble her. Una go see her, I go put her just na mona watch. Mona be careful. Una bye for now. Mona help me share this video. Make people wise.
A good woman, okay? You have a good heart. Okay, you have a good heart, very good. You have a good heart. You are very nice. Continue. Then he also talk about the future. You're supposed to have money. I don't know why he bounced back. So you should be careful of trouble. Be careful of people that you are working out with because he showed that you're supposed to have money, but he bounced back. I don't know why. So that means you need to do some spiritual cleansing. You don't ever allow somebody to reach where you want to get money, you can't become poor. God forbid. So then you also have to be careful of friends. Don't tell any friends about you. Don't trust anybody and tell people about your lifestyle again. Even your marriage, your affair, your relationship, be careful for somebody not to spoil it for you. Okay, this is what I say. I didn't see anything. Do you have any question?
Thank you. No, I don't understand the marriage. You say somebody should not spoil it. I don't understand that.
Be careful of friends. Don't tell. I think you are still very young. Okay, then be careful. Don't tell your friends about you. Maybe if you are dating any guy or you have a husband, don't tell people about what's going on between you and this man. Okay, this is what you need to do. So keep it as secret, and you also have to do something. Okay, you also have to. I'm seeing you in a place of for you to get rich very far, but this richness bounce back. That means it be like person will be say a rich place of money, they can't regret her. Okay, this is not a good move for you right now. Okay, so what you need to do, go for a consultation, private consultation, if there is any spiritual thing that you need to do. Okay, may you not be rejected for where if the present of money, maybe say, hey, somebody just show you money, say, okay, this money now, later I can't collect it back. That is not good, okay? So if somebody show you money, the person, you're supposed to take that money from that person, because the person already want to give you. But when the person take that money back, that is a very bad luck.
Yes.
Okay, that is what I'm saying right now, so you should be careful.
And I also have a terrible dream. I used to have a bad dream, but I don't even remember most of them.
Okay, terrible dream and you don't understand. That is why I say you should go for the consultation, private consultation. You have taken my number already.
Okay.
You take my number already, all right?
No, I didn't take it because I was using the same phone to be live.
Okay,
So
you can look for a pen, so that you write my number.
I'm looking for now. Let me.
Okay, please be fast.
Okay.
So that we can do the consultation of private. You know, they don't the back. I need to go off live very soon. So that is why I just try to.
No.
Should I tell the number?
Yes.
No. You are playing. Okay, I'm calling the number now. +49.
Mama, pick a video.
No. 15. 15. Have you write it?
Yes, 15. Hey.
Okay. 21.
21.
Okay, 69. 69, not 17. Where's 17? 69. Have you write it?
I'm right 69.
Okay, 85. 85. Okay. 738. 738. That is the last number. 738.
7.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I appreciate.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right. All right. No problem.
Hello.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, bro, talk to me, please.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, my name is Ansalam Ojini.
Okay, please come again. Your name. I don't understand that name because that name it be like say you know Igbo, or Igbo they bear that name. I've been in America.
It's Ansalam Ojini.
It be like say now Igbo country they born you because that kind of name I never hear of say African man they bear. Is it now white country they born you?
I have my native language. I'm living in
that
Spain.
name too big. Abi, do you want me to bite my tongue? Please, that name is too big for me. I know Emi Ogbo English. So call the one that I will hear.
Okuchukwu Ojini. Okuchukwu Ojini.
That is your real name, okay? Because me, I call if you say in America, they for born you. Okay, what is going on? Okay, this is your real name. Mm-hmm. This is good. Okay. Okay, first of all, is telling somebody's going out for you or you have already visited a place before.
A place
okay,
like
so
how?
Which place do you have right now?
I'm in Spain now.
In Spain?
Yeah.
Okay, we are not talking about Europe. Did you visit any spiritual place like that look like ritualists or any place that do some very strong spiritualists?
No.
Did you visit it before you left home?
In Nigeria?
Yeah.
No, there's only one woman that I went to drink one day. I went to take a drink in the morning. The woman was telling me some things like that, but it didn't do anything for me.
Okay. There is somebody that is going out for you, okay? This person, I think this person is a very strong spiritual man. He's not an honorary man. He's not those kind of small native daughter like Winner. Okay, this person is a higher class, all those kind of people when they do money ritual. So I'm saying they involved in your case and I don't know why. So that is why I ask you, did you go to anywhere? Did you sell yourself for devil already? I've been at that boy when they do CCCs. Now you don't sell yourself for nobody go know. We need to ask you question very well.
No.
Okay. Then another one again. You also talk about there is a golden cup coming to you. That is very good. That is a good news. Then marriage preparation. That means you are going to marry in future. So you should not be afraid if you are not having any friendship now, or maybe you are not dating now, or woman is not on your side. That means you are going to have a good woman in future. Okay, good news, good news, good news. A king. Okay, everything is good. Only what your problem here right now, somebody is taking your name heart. This person want to bring with you. I think this person wants to make you to fall. Your enemy to fall down, not you. Okay, yeah. So you have to work towards these people. Okay, yeah. That if it is a place that you go, you have to go and confess. You have to think back. Okay, please, do you have my number? Because we don't have much time. Go and think about where you go so that we know how to settle it. If you have not been anywhere, because this person is higher rank, is not. This spiritual man is not like any Asia. Asia like us because we're not children. This one is higher rank. This one I did your life just thank but without you they invite him, he will not come to your life. So then maybe you don't go somewhere you never know. And maybe you don't initiate, you never know. So you have to think back.
Can someone be initiated without knowing?
Okay, then maybe you can forget. You don't know because you want to make money, you want to come to Europe, you don't know where you may be.
But I haven't go for anything ritual for my life before.
How would you know that ritual you go to? How will you know? It's all ritual. They will tell you there is a native doctor place that you will visit. You will not know the kind of power that native doctor use. Do you know the power that I'm using? Do you know the kind of person that I am?
Yeah, it's true. It's
There are
true.
people you will want to make friends with. You don't know them. That is why you be careful of people you follow. Okay, native doctor place that you visit. Okay, this person is a higher rank and is on your life. And you now, what tribe are you? Are you from Igbo land?
Yeah, I'm from Igbo land. Yeah.
Because I know say now they work out like that. Because nowhere or another they go because I want to make money very quick. Igbo people with money. So then what you need to do now, go and relax your brain. You think very well. Think where Emeka don't carry you go or now Obina. You don't go it by mistake any place. Or if you think that there is nothing like that you do in the past, that means we have to do some spiritual work for you. Okay, that is a very special work. And this work is not a work that you would do with a chicken. This is a goat work. You have to buy a very big goat. Okay, and do this sacrifice. So then you go and prepare for money. Because this demand for a very big thing. Okay, so that you can make it in this Europe you are right now. You cannot be in one place. You cannot have some bad luck.
This person that is doing this thing, is he doing it on my favor or is he doing it to harm me?
Then you will ask later, okay, you got to come back again. We don't have much time. You are not a baby. Somebody is taking your name out, is witching you down for your asking if the person is witching. If he's witching for your favor, then what did you need good for? Do you want to do for for the person?
Because I don't have any problem with any native doctor to witch me down.
How will you know? All those people when which they worry that they get problem with witch. Do I have problem with anybody? If evil eye is around me, now do I have problem with the evil? Okay, so sometimes people know what you want to become in future. They read your destiny, they know when you pass them, they see your future. They want to block it. So that is why this world, the physical control the spiritual. So you cannot work with Satan. Or if you are not strong in prayer, if you are the type that is going to church, then continue praying. If you are the type that also know all these remedy, native things, very easy things, you can also do it to protect yourself. Okay, so first of all, you have to get a goat.
But the person I'm suspecting about all these things you are saying is that.
No, don't tell me anybody that you suspect. You don't suspect anybody like me. I'm not in support of that. So don't suspect anybody in your family. And don't ever say it in any I suspect social person. No. When you are doing when you suspect anybody, then you are doing something to bounce back to the person, you will not go. Because you already know the person, so you don't fight for yourself. Allow the spirit to fight for you. So you don't know this person, just say you don't know. Okay, if you go anywhere, thank you for the gift. I wish you go anywhere by yourself. You can say, okay, I visit a place, but since you forgot already, you say you didn't visit any place, so don't pull eye on anybody. You can even be saying the person when you they pull eye not being they disturb you. Maybe another person they wear a shirt called they disturb you. Okay, there are witchcraft that carry another person's face to worry another person. You will be seeing your friend's face, but it's not your friend; it's another person. Okay, that is why you don't just suspect people. Hey, you are the my witch when they disturb me. The native doctor say when they disturb me. Okay, now you when I they drink. Do you know if another person carry that your friend face come? You don't know. Nothing which cannot do.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice dream, please. You have my number, all right?
Yes.
Okay, and you can't put woman picture for your profile. You say, you say not betrayer, you be deceiver. So you deceive me to become a woman. Later you become
my sister be that.
So then I think you too na Yahoo girl. Please come with your camera. Because I think say a woman, you also make a quick pick you. Then no, I call you could be mad. So you deceive me. You say deceive me, alright? You deceive me.
Thank you so much.
No problem. You're welcome.
Yeah,
okay, please come with your camera, sweetheart. Come with your camera. Thank you for the gift.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for the gift. All right, so please talk to me.
I need to ask you a question. I have a new relationship. I need to know if it's true or not.
Okay, new relationship. And it's not working or what? Okay, this new relationship, what happened? Everything is okay, it's going well.
Okay.
Am I asking now? Everything is going well. Do you want to do consultation for this new relationship? Okay, if I don't pick you, know that you don't have enough follower. Please make sure you are following all the gifters here. Follow them, okay? And my subscribers so that you can get grow. Okay, please talk to me. Okay. How will I write to reply this person? I wanted. Okay. Hello. Yeah. Good evening. Mm-hmm. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I know. I saw your writing. You comment right now, right? Okay, no problem. Then you will call me tomorrow. I will not be on live stream tomorrow, so I will have chance to talk to you on phone, on private, because I'm still on live now. I can't tell you anything now. Okay, we will talk tomorrow now, please. Yeah, I charge. I do charge. Okay. Sometimes you can also pay with gift. If you can gift me now, you can gift me something big. Then I can do the consultation for you. Okay. Then yeah, now okay. Then I can do it tomorrow for you on private. Then if you can also give, then you can pay by account. Yeah, depends on which country are you, so that I will tell you. Yeah, but is it easy for you to send money out from the UK? Okay, it's not. It's okay. You can also come to gift and you pay with gift. It's okay. It's fine. It's also money. Gift is money too. Okay, you do not pick get, which when you gift is money. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, no problem. All right. You can also add me on WhatsApp. You are calling me from WhatsApp, all right? Okay, just message me, no problem. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for the gift. All right, bye. Okay. Okay, I'm picking two people too. Okay, hi.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. Please come with your camera.
Good
Okay.
evening.
Please talk to me. How are you?
I'm fine. Good evening. I want to know something about myself, please.
Okay. You want a reading, all right?
Yeah, just general, just.
Okay, general. Okay, please, you can also support me in any how you can support me, okay? Because it's not easy to sit down and be doing consultation, okay? So you can gift, do what you can do, share the live, subscribe, just do the little one you can do. Okay, then please, when you are doing it, you can also tell me your name so that we cannot be keeping people waiting.
Yes, my name is Patience.
A patient. Patient dog eat the fattest bone. I hope you don't patient forever.
I want
Don't go and patient forever so that maybe they not come give you big bone. Because nowadays people are not eating big bone again, they are eating French. And you say you want to be patient and eat bone. This is not good.
I want to change the name. I don't need
You have
the
to change
name.
it. He say he no need the name again because patient dog eat bone later.
Yes, so I don't
Oh
need
my
it.
God,
It's
this
not
is
doing me
funny.
any. It's not
Okay,
doing
you
me
talk.
well.
Okay, because patient dog they eat bone, they'll come later give you bone after you don't patient instead of French. This is not good, really. Yeah, you have to change it. Okay, first of all, it shows that you are expecting some good news, a lot of good news. You are expecting something good. Okay, then this thing just arrived right now. Okay, this good news is close to your doorstep. You are going to hear good news. The money is also coming. You see, the time when you say you say don't tire, say you even say you want to change your name, and this is the time your life want to change. Okay, then it gets somebody when you say they monitor you before this person, something happened to this person already. Okay, then you also get somebody in your
Thank
life
God.
that is pretend. I think this person is a player. Okay, you also be careful. Then I think you lost somebody in your life. This person, I think this somebody have died new or somebody want to die, but this person is a old person, but he's a man. Yeah, he's a man. Either he died or he's planning to join the ancestor. But this person is close to you. Okay, he's a man too. Yeah. Maybe you may hear the news any moment from now. So you can also pray for this person. He's old already, but you may hear some
Very,
bad
very
news.
old.
I
Very,
don't know.
very old.
He's old, but I don't know if he's old like that. But I know he's old. He's mature. Okay, he's not a young man. Okay, I'm trying to pick other person, but you people don't have enough follower, and you are not following people.
Me, I follow people. People don't follow me.
Okay, they will follow you. Don't worry.
Follow
Okay,
people.
please.
People don't follow.
Do you understand now?
Yes, I
Okay,
understand.
don't worry. Just be praying for this person. Okay, you still have father, all right?
No, I don't have. My father is late for long.
Okay. Okay, it may also be your father, okay? I'm seeing somebody in the spirit land that is close to you. It may not be a new stranger, it may be your father showing, okay? Okay, I didn't ask you that if you have lost your father because I see a man, a old man, light, okay, for you to go. That means this person may be protecting you in a spirit land. Okay, that is the meaning of that. You know, something must go for somebody to. Okay, they say something. How they say they made parry that parry, but I don't understand. Okay, yeah, just be prayerful. Okay, for anyone that is close to you. Okay, then for you, as for you, good thing is
I will do
coming to your
that.
way. You should not be afraid anymore. Okay. Okay, I didn't see anything sacrifice. I didn't see any water sacrifice or witchcraft sacrifice. That is, maybe you may come on Friday again so that we can look again if there is anything that you need to perform. Okay? There is no sacrifice. There is nothing. That means good things are coming to your way. So just be prayerful. You know when good things are coming, temptation also come. So you should avoid trouble too.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Sweet
Bye.
dream.
Thank
Okay,
you.
no
Thank you so
problem.
much.
Okay, please talk to me, my sister.
Good evening, ma.
Yeah, good evening.
On your other side.
Yeah, I'm fine. Let's do it far because I want to go offline. I think I want to go now. I'm tired.
Okay, ma, please, I say I should help me to check.
Okay,
Any
please
more
tell me
coming
your
to
name.
my
Tell me,
way?
please, if I didn't pick you up, just know
Blessing.
that I'm tired. I need to go and rest. Please, and
Blessing.
I will come back next tomorrow again. Please make sure you join me here next tomorrow because I think I will take a rest tomorrow. Then next tomorrow I can also come live again. Blessing.
Blessing. Yes.
Because I don't even know as I want to pick all the people that send requests. Now I want to continue to pick all of you because it's not easy. Okay, blessing. I really want to pick all of you, but I'm thinking that it may hurt me because to sit down for one place is not easy. Okay, first of all, blessing, be careful of your friends. Okay, friends always want to betray you. Friends is not good for you. Okay, be careful because of the spiritual who you are. You are very powerful in the spiritual and you don't know. Thank you so much. People like Jesus don't always work with friends. People that have spiritual grief, they are not good to make friends. So then when you are trying to force yourself, you may hurt yourself. So be careful, be how to be on yourself. Learn how to be on your friend, like you are your friend on yourself. Don't force yourself to be half friend or to mingle with people. Don't force yourself because you have a very spiritual calling. Okay, then another one again. I also see devil watching around you. That means evil eye is around you. Okay, thank you so much. So in your house, if you are having some mirror in your house, before you go to bed, always keep it in the kitchen side. Okay, in your dining side. If you are having television in your own room that you are sleeping, make sure you cover it up when you want to sleep with cloth. You can look for a cloth, so always cover your television so that they cannot be monitor you when you are sleeping. Thank you so much because we are having some evil eye that is monitoring you. Then I'm saying, do you still have father? You have father, right?
No, my father don't live long time ago. Now mother
Okay.
now I can't go.
Okay, yeah, because I've seen some father turning down. Okay, I think this is why they are showing me this. Okay. I also see that you receive some attack not quite long. Okay.
Yes, not be small. No,
okay.
Yes, not be long.
Okay, from the witchcraft. That is why I tell you now to cover your mirror. Because now your mirror, they say they know where you they sleep. And now your television, they say they know where, mostly where your television face your bed is not good. Okay, so all those things you have to cover it up when you are sleeping because evil people, anything like mirror, anything like television, I they say they know where you like down put. Without you not get television for inside house, you not get mirror. If witchcraft want to worry you, they go confused, they don't know where you like down put.
Okay.
Okay, then they'll come, they find you. The moment that they find you now, if you not be prayer person, now if they make some day they break some witchcraft for coven. You come meet there, they will disgrace for money time. Because the actual place where you place your mirror, when they take observe you say you they sleep, if they come there and they don't see the mirror again, can't they see you. They'll come lose that, they'll come blind, they don't see you again. They'll come confused, then they will come break them for coven. Okay, now it makes some people now that they fall down because their mission does spoil be that. So when they come now, they call a look mirror, try to see though they see kitchen, they see other side. That is good. That is why sometimes television not good for his house, mirror not good for his house. Okay. That is why some people do pray for mirror, say spiritual mirror, I break you down. Anybody that is mirror is not good for his house, television is not good. Now waiting evil people take the monitor where you like to be that. Okay, so then maybe you can join me on Friday or please get a contact with me. We can talk on private. Because
okay,
we just go at church.
Okay,
yeah?
Because I get your number.
Okay, please just call me on private, okay? Please.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. Bye bye.
Okay, let me talk to other person so that we just do it short, okay?
Okay.
All right. So please talk to me, madam.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
Yeah, how are you? Yeah.
I'm fine. I've been following your life.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm based in the US.
Yeah. Okay, may I drop you? Okay. What we are going to do, I think I will take a break. Then maybe I will just walk around. Then I will come back again because I think I'm getting tired. Maybe I will just go and turn around in the room. Then I will come back again. Because I see a lot of people saying request, but I don't want to go off life like that because I don't know why I always feel for people. I don't know if you people are also feeling the way I feel for you people like that. Okay, please talk to me.
Please, ma, drop me, ma.
Okay, I should drop you. Okay. Okay, please talk to me, gentleman.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening.
My name is.
Say your name again, please.
My name is Asiebu Shinoso.
Your name is too much. Can you say one name, just one name? Because that name look like American name. Because it's too many. Now only American people they get long name like that.
Shinoso.
Shino. So you see that one simple like African name. Okay, if you want to call up for Igbo, you can call it like that because before Igbo go pronounce it, go harder. But me as African man, just do it short. Okay. So then what do you want? Why do you want a reading?
I want you to check for me. I don't know what is happening in my life again. Like everything that I'm doing is not working for me. I'm not seeing money like before.
Okay. Let me just test it. Oh, thank you for the gift. Thank you. I appreciate. I appreciate. Thank you so much. Okay. Please call your name again.
Shinoso.
Shino, stop. What is going on? Thank you for the gift. Please make sure you are following the gift also. Shino, so what is going on? Shino, so live. Shino, so where do you live? In Africa, where? Where is your place?
Togo. I live in Togo.
Huh?
I'm in Togo.
Because I'm seeing some. Why I ask you? I'm seeing some criminal things here. Okay, that criminal things that it doesn't mean that you steal. Okay, then when you're also doing some the laptop work, yahoo yahoo, you are also that friend of those kind of people. So what kind of job are you doing? Are you okay? Huh?
I'm doing anything.
Yeah, please call me by tomorrow, please. I beg you. Call me by tomorrow. Okay, so they do laptop work?
Yes, exactly.
So are you using white face or black face or white woman or white man?
White man face.
Okay, did you collect from the street already or you are still trying to collect?
No, I've been before.
Okay, yeah, that is why they describe you like this, and this is not good. When they describe you like a thief, this is not good. So I mean that eye is on you, eye is watching you already. Okay, I think that you have to stop right now. Okay, it's time for you to stop because I'm seeing you lying down right now in hospital. Any moment from now, are you be feeling sick, dizzy already?
Yeah, I'm sick. I discharged from hospital today.
Okay, you discharged from hospital today. That is grace of God. Okay, but I'm seeing friends betraying you. Your friends betraying you. So be careful of your friends. Then I also see you lying down in the hospital again. Okay, so you should be careful. You should stop doing that thing that you are doing because they describe you right now like a thief. They also talk about your friend betrayed you. They also talk about you lying down in a cough. God forbid. They also talk about when you told me your time have come. So then I will give you my number for you to call me. That means we must do your reading or private again. Okay, let's do your reading or private. So let me give you my number. Please get a pen, or if you don't have other phone, take my number. Okay? So that you need to call me tomorrow, very urgent, okay? Please, when you call me tomorrow, just drop me a voice record. Tell me what I told you now, so that we can respond to you. Okay? Then I will just give you this number, and I want to just walk around before I pick up that person. Let me just throw out from the passage, and I will come and sit down because I think I'm getting tired. Please pick up my number quick.
Okay.
Okay, plus 49.
Plus 49.
Okay, 15. I'm so sorry that you discharged yourself from hospital today. I'm so sorry, okay?
No problem.
All right. So then plus 4915.
Yeah.
21.
21.
Okay, 69. 69.
69.
85.
85.
Okay, 738.
738.
Yeah, 738. Okay, please Try to protect yourself, okay? Protect yourself. You don't hear? That work, I think you are going to quit from it, okay? Because this work, I think that is because of this work you are sick. I think the people that you take money from, they done something already. Did you take money from black person? Because black people, say there are white people. Do you know how many white people that is calling me for spiritual help? So you don't think that some white people now, they are not doing charm, so be careful. Okay, so then if I were you have to stop what you are doing right now. You don't even do anything to me. Just go and look for another work. Okay, I think that you also need some spiritual cleansing, very urgent. They are going to bury a dog alive for you. Okay, this one is a very spiritual, very strong thing. They are going to bury dog alive for you, and this place they are going to bury this dog alive is all those places that they used to throw away dustbin. In Africa there is a place that people will be throwing dustbin. So they have to go and dig a hole in that place. They will bury dog alive for you, for to die or anything bad to happen to you, or for to go back to hospital again. Okay, hello. To remove some causes from your body. Okay, I think this pain that you are feeling, they have caused you, they have done you something. I think these people have taken your name out to another babalawo. Okay, let's talk tomorrow, okay?
No problem. Thank you, ma'am.
You don't have to be afraid, okay? Just calm down, okay? No. Don't think too much. Take your drugs, okay? If drugs that doctor give you, take it and calm down. Take bath. Be okay. Then look for a garlic before you will come in. So get a garlic. Make sure you get a garlic tomorrow. Then when you get a garlic, then you can blend it with blender, or you can pound it. All you need is water, the water of the garlic. So mix it in a bucket of water. Add a little sea salt on it. So take some sand from the street, put it on it. So bath with it. When you are bathing, don't rub cream. Don't rub cream. Don't bath with shampoo. Then it will take some bad causes and bad energy from you, small evil eye from you. Okay, let's do it tomorrow. Okay, let me just get up. I will come back again. I'm not going anywhere. Okay, I'm coming back, but just let me just walk around.